How to use depth effect on iPhone. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your settings. Here we go. Over here you can find different options. Just scroll down. You can find this option of wallpaper. Open it. Now tap on this option, add wallpaper. Now to add photo from your gallery, tap on this option of photos. Tap on albums and select the album from which you want to add the photo. Here I'm gonna add this one picture. Now at the bottom you can see this three dots, tap on it. And you can see that depth effect is applied to this picture. If you don't want to apply this, then you can just tap on it and it is not applied. Again, to apply depth effect, tap on this three dots and tap on depth effect and you are done. In this way, you can easily use depth effect on iPhone. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.